Agreeing and disagreeing. To and either.
I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
I'm not happy.
I'm not happy either.
Both to and either are used to show that you agree with someone. Both are used at the end of a sentence. We use to after a positive verb.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
We use either after a negative verb.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry either.
With both to and either, the reply should be in the same tense as the first statement.
I liked the movie.
I liked the movie too.
I didn't like the movie.
I didn't like the movie either.
Examples.
Jennifer's mother is a teacher.
Her father is a teacher too.
I like playing video games.
I like playing video games too.
I'm not good at math.
I'm not good at math either.
I wasn't at school yesterday.
I wasn't at school yesterday either.
So and neither.
I like vegetables.
So do I.
I don't like vegetables.
Neither do I.
We use so and neither to show that we have something in common with another person. We use the pattern so plus auxiliary verb plus I when we agree with positive statements.
I'm hungry.
So am I.
I can cook spaghetti.
So can I.
I like playing tennis.
So do I.
We use the pattern neither plus auxiliary verb plus I when we agree with negative statements.
I'm not hungry.
Neither am I.
I can't cook anything.
Neither can I.
I don't like sports.
Neither do I.
As with to and either, the reply should be in the same tense as the first statement with so and neither.
I slept well last night.
So did I.
I didn't sleep well.
Neither did I.
Examples.
I'm thirsty.
So am I.
I can speak 2 languages.
So can I.
I love singing.
So do I.
I didn't go shopping yesterday.
Neither did I.
I don't know what to do.
Neither do I.
I'm not ready for this test.
Neither am I.
Here are some phrases we can use when we agree with someone. I do too. So am I. Me too. Same here. Me neither. So do I. Exactly. Neither do I. I don't either. I feel the same way. And here are some ways that we can disagree with someone. Not me. I do. I am. I'm not. I don't. I'm not so sure. Dialogue.
I'm so hungry. I didn't eat breakfast this morning.
Neither did I. I was running late for school.
I really want to go to that new burger place on Saturday.
So do I. I heard their milkshakes are amazing.
I love chocolate milkshakes.
I don't. I prefer strawberry or vanilla.
I can eat a whole burger in 5 minutes.
I can't. I always get full after eating half a burger.
Ha ha! Anyway, I don't have plans for Sunday.
I don't either. Maybe we can go to the cinema?
Maybe. I'm not interested in that new horror movie.
Neither am I. It looks too scary. I think we should watch the comedy instead.
I feel the same way.
Great! See you this weekend. I think it'll be a lot of fun.
Same here. See you Saturday.